Hello and welcome to day 2 of our Feeling Fab 5-Day Pilates Challenge. Today we are focusing on glutes and hamstrings. Once again, we're starting lying down on the mat, knees bent, feet hip distance apart. Exhale, abs are pulling in, glutes engaging as you peel all the way off of the mat, one vertebra at a time, lengthening through your spine. And take your time gently rolling all the way back down to the floor, one bone at a time. Inhale. Exhale, abs are pulling in, squeezing your bottom, lifting up. Inhale. And exhale, rolling all the way down to the floor. Breathing in. One more time. Exhale, peeling up, lengthening through your spine, breathing in. And rolling all the way down to the mat. With your hips down, let's take a little twist. Inhale, gently letting both knees fall to the floor as you breathe into your opposite side lungs. Exhale, abs pull in, coming back to the middle. Inhale, twisting to the other side. And exhale, center. Inhale to rotate. Exhale, abs pull in, coming back to the middle. And inhale, twist. And center. Both feet hip distance apart, knees bent once again. You're squeezing your glutes, lifting your hips up into the air. This time, instead of rolling bone by bone through your spine, I want you to stick your seat out, hinging at your hips, lowering your hips to a hover, and then squeeze, lifting your hips all the way up. Kind of like if you were doing a squat standing. Exhale, squeeze, lift up. Inhale, hinging down. And exhale, lift. The whole time you're keeping your thighs parallel. And down and lift. Let's do 4 more. And 3, low abdominals engaging. 2. Last one, lifting your hips up, little pulses. Squeezing, lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Relaxing down onto the mat, flexing your feet. So just your heels are on the floor. We're going to do the same series. You're going to feel this a little bit more in your hamstrings now. Exhale, hinging up. Inhale, hinge to lower. Exhale, lift and hover. This is 3. Exhale, 4. And 5. Exhale, 6. Exhale, 7, lifting up, abs pull in, pulses, legs parallel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hinging those hips down. We're moving onto our tippy toes like you're in a rise or you're wearing your highest high heels, hinging both hips up and lengthening, stick that seat out, hinging down, lifting up and down, and 3, keeping your legs gently squeezing in on this one. It's very tempting to let the knees float open. 5, exhale, 6, exhale, 7. Last one, lifting up, little pulses. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hinging those hips down, relaxing your heels. We're rolling onto our sides for a side glute series. Head, shoulders, and hips are all lined up. You can prop your head up on your hand or relax your head down on your arm, wherever you're most comfortable. Both knees are bent slightly in front of you, but I want you to really focus on where your pelvis is. One hip bone is gently stacked on top of the other hip bone, and your abs are gently lifting towards your midline. Turning your top knee open for clamshells, and gently return. So we're focusing on these back pocket muscles, and you're trying not to let your hips rock and roll. Your pelvis stays really still as you just rotate through the top of your thigh. 4 more. And 3. Exhale, 2. And last one. Fire hydrants, lifting this leg up and down. Again, keeping your pelvis really stable. Abs are lifting. And 4. Exhale, 5. Make sure you're breathing through these. And 7. And 8. Imagine you have a pencil attached to your kneecap. You're drawing circles with your pencil. Think about the circles coming from the top of your thigh. Nice and easy. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Reversing your circles, opening out. And 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Last one, reaching this leg all the way long. Heel directly underneath your hips as you lower your leg down. Exhale, squeeze those outer hip muscles as you lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift. And 3, 4, and 5, 6. Good. Exhale, 7. And last time for 8, lifting this leg up, little pulses. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drawing circles. Your abs are pulling in. Nice, easy circles. And as you circle to the back, think about squeezing your glutes. And 4, exhale, 5, and 6, and 7. Last one. Reversing your circles here. Up and around. 2, 3, and 4. Exhale, 5, and 6, and 7. Last one. Lowering this leg down to the mat. Bringing your head down. Reach your top arm over your head, and you're stretching your fingertips and your toes towards opposite walls. Good. Gently coming up, and we will flip over for the other side. All right, bending both knees, head, shoulders, and hips all lined up. Dropping your top hip down and away from you, and we have gentle clamshells. That's it. Keeping your top hip directly over your bottom hip. 3, and 4. Excellent. Exhale, 5, and 6, and 7. Last time, fire hydrants. Floating up and down, abs are lifting. 3, and 4. Exhale, 5, 6, and 7. Lifting this leg up, drawing little circles. In 2, circling from the top of your thigh. 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Now reversing your circles, up, open, down, and around. And 2, 3, and 4, lifting through your abdominals, and 6, and 7, and 8, reaching your top leg long, heel directly underneath your pelvis, and you're lowering your top leg down, squeezing to lift up. Inhale down, exhale, squeeze from your side seam. 3, and up, and 4, and 5, 6, reaching your leg away from you the whole time. Last one, lifting up, little pulses. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Staying here, drawing circles. Up, open, squeeze those glutes, and around. 2, exhale, 3, and 4. Excellent. 5, and 6. Exhale, 7. Last one, reversing your circles. Up, open, and around. And 2, 3, and 4. Exhale, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Lowering your top leg, reaching your top arm long above you, and you're stretching your arm and your leg towards opposite walls for a little release. Excellent. And then from here, let's flip back onto our backs one more time. Feet hip distance apart, knees bent. We're lifting all the way up to that shoulder bridge position again, lengthening through your spine, and I want you to reach one leg up to the ceiling. You can use your arms to help out here, and you're lowering your leg down, and then lifting your leg right back up to the ceiling, keeping both sides of your pelvis level the whole time. And up, and down, and lift. 4 more. Exhale, 3. Exhale, 2. Last one, lifting this leg up, little pulses. Squeeze your booty. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Placing your foot down, reaching your opposite leg up to the sky. Same thing. Both sides of your hips stay level. And lift. And 2, low abs are pulling in. And 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Last time, lifting this leg up, little pulses, squeezing, lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bending your knee, placing your foot down, rolling down through your spine, and we have a little hip stretch. You're crossing one ankle in front of your opposite knee. Now you're lifting that leg off the floor. Send your hands through your triangle, and you're gently bringing your knees in towards your chest. As you stretch here, make sure you're breathing. One more deep breath. And we'll switch legs. Opposite ankle crosses over your knee. You're bringing that leg up, hands through your triangle, and pulling your knees gently into your chest. Breathing, trying to release your stress and tension as you're gently stretching. One more deep breath. Go ahead and untangle those legs. Thank you so very, very much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you for day 3 tomorrow, focusing on upper body and arm work.